classwork notes submitted in the Google Classroom? Tell me, Ayush, how many days of your classwork notes? Every day I am posting the classwork notes in the form of video format and in the PDF also. Yes or no? In two formats. In two formats, I am posting them in your Google Classroom. Are you reading the instructions in the Google Classroom, my dear children? Are you reading the instructions given in the Google Classroom, or simply you are avoiding them? Are you reading the instructions completely and carefully?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Inculcate the habit of reading the instructions completely. Don't escape in reading that instructions completely, even though there are 4 lines or 5 lines. What, my dear Krish? What, my dear Krish? What do you want?
Afternoon, sir. Good afternoon.
Your voice not clear. Tell me. Your mic is not working well.
Sir, I completed all my
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes. Good afternoon, my dear Krish. Okay, my dear Shanti. I will check out. I will check out this Sunday. This Sunday, I will spend my time. I will spend my time on this Sunday completely to check, to verify how many of you completed their classwork notes and how many of you submitted in the Google Classroom. That only the evidence, that only the proof. No, sir, I completed my classwork notes, but I lost it somewhere. Don't say like that. You must submit your classwork notes in the Google Classroom. Then only you are perfect. Then only I will believe you, you are perfect, Mr. Perfect. Then only I will believe you that you are Mr. Perfect. Otherwise, I will not. No, sir, I wrote that complete classwork notes. I lost it somewhere. Or I wrote some classwork notes, sir, but I have no data, I have no internet. Don't say excuses. Don't say like these reasons. Okay. Understood, my dear children? Before this Saturday, all of you submit your classwork notes. I will check out on this Sunday. I will spend the complete Sunday for preparing a report, to prepare a report on your submission work. And then I will post that report to the principal ma'am and to your class teacher and to your parents also. I will speak to your parents also. So and so this your word not submitted. These many days of classwork notes not submitted. These many days of classwork not submitted so far. I will tell to your parents. I will speak to your parents. Please keep this point in your mind, my dear children. Every day I am posting the classwork notes regularly. Of course, it may delayed by 1 hour or 2 hours. It may be delayed by 1 hour or 2 hours because of some busy work. But by end of the day, at any cost, by end of the day, before 8 o'clock or before 9 o'clock, whatever the time it is, I'm posting the classwork notes in two formats. One is video format and another one is a PDF. I don't know how many of you are watching the videos, how many of you are using that resources, and how many of you wrote the classwork notes. This Sunday completely I will spend my time to report, to prepare a report. Okay, my dear Bibina, you have to submit. Don't say I completed my work, sir. No need to say anything. no need to say anything. You have to submit your classwork notes. Then only I will believe it. Then only I will believe it. I completed, sir. Don't say like that. Even though you have completed your work, but you have not submitted in the Google Classroom, then I believe that you have not completed your classwork notes. I believe that you have not completed your classwork notes. Even though you completed your classwork notes, but you have not posted, you have not submitted your classwork notes in the Google Classroom. Understood this point, my dear children? On Monday, I spent the complete period for this one only. On Monday, based on that report, I will ask you one by one why these many days are not submitted your classwork notes. Because your classwork note submission will be calculated for assessing internal marks. For assessing internal marks, your classwork note submission is also very important. Understood this point, my dear children? Understood, Anmol, Sridarshan, Darikar, Lingua, Yahuna Singh, Trinson, Srujana, Mahima, Janej,
Yes, sir.
Kavya,
Yes,
Shanti,
sir.
Jaslin, Ayush, Krish, Nikita, and
Yes,
Bibina.
sir.
Yes, all
Sir.
of you be serious. Take this point seriously and submit your classwork notes completely before this Saturday, before Saturday night. Okay. If anyone fails to submit your classwork notes completely before Saturday night, I will speak to your parents and principal ma'am and class teacher also. This is the attitude of this ward. Okay, my dear children. Now come to the next exercise 1.6 concepts. We are going to discuss exercise 1.6 concepts. In this exercise, we will link up our previous knowledge. Laws of exponents. You have already studied laws of exponents for integral values. For integral values means exponents are integers. Exponents are integers. Let us recall the previous knowledge. Okay. In your earlier class, you have studied laws of exponents. In 8th class, you have studied the chapter name exponents and powers. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Let us recall that previous knowledge. Okay. Let A, N, and B are natural numbers. Let us consider A, N, and B are natural numbers. Okay. Then A power N How do you read this one? A is increased to the power n. Yes or no? A is increased to the power of n. A power n means A into and so on. How many times we write n? Yet how many times we will write A?
Sir, infinity.
No. N times A power n. We see here in this notation, this is called base and this is called index or exponent. Do you remember these points? Suppose A square means we have to write this number 2 times. We have to multiply this number writing 2 times, repeating the same number 2 times. A cube. How do you expand this one? A cube. How do you write A cube? A
Sir,
square.
A into A into A.
Very good, Sridarshan. A into A into A. A power 4. How do you write A power 4?
Sir, A into A into A into A.
And so on. A power n. A power n means we have to write this number A n times. We have to repeat the same number n times and multiply all these A's. A into A into A and so on n times. Not infinite times, my dear children. Okay. Not infinite times. Whatever the exponent
Okay,
is.
sir.
Okay. Right. In this notation, this notation is read as, I don't know how many of you remember how to read this notation. Do you remember this point? My dear children, A power n. How do you write this? How do you read this one? A is raised to the power n. A is raised to the power n or A to the power of n. Do you remember this point? In
Yes, sir.
8th class you have studied. In this notation, what is A called here?
Sir, the base.
Yes, very good, my dear Bibina. And what is n called here?
Sir, exponent.
Sir, the power or exponent.
Exponent. Okay. Power. Power or exponent. Or index also. We can use this term also. Index. Okay, my dear children. Power or exponent or index. In general, we use power or exponent. Now come to the laws of exponent. What are the laws of exponent you have studied? Laws of exponents. In earlier class, in 8th class itself, you have studied laws of exponents. Do you remember that one?
Yes, sir. The formulas.
Yes, tell me the formula.
Sir, A power n into A power m is equal. So sorry, sir. A power m into A power n is equal to A power m plus n and A power m.
Just wait, my dear Bibina. I will write here one by one what you are telling here. a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. That is one loss of exponents. And another one,
So then a power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n.
very good. Another loss of exponent,
So a power n into b power n is equal to a into b power n.
very good. A power n into b power n is equal to ab whole power n. Very good. Another loss of exponents, a power n by same formula, but here we keep here
Sir,
by.
a into a by b the whole power n.
And one more, a power m whole power n.
A
Sir,
m power
a power m into n.
Yes, a power mn. Simply to say a power mn. Okay. And another formula.
Sir, a power 0 equal to 1, sir.
Yes, very good. A power 0 is equal to 1. When a is not equal to 0. Okay. And another one, a power minus n.
Sir, 1 by a power
1 by
n.
a power 1.
Very good. We extend the same concept to two numbers. A by b whole power minus n. A fraction is raised to
B
negative
by
number.
a whole power n.
Yes, my dear Janesh, tell me.
B by a whole power n.
Very good. We had to write its reciprocal of this fraction, b by a whole power. We ignore negative sign. We omit negative sign. We write only n. b by a whole power n. Okay, my dear children. These are any more loss of exponents you learned? Any more other than these loss of exponents?
That's all, sir.
That's all. Any more loss of exponents you have learned?
So that's all.
That's all. So here we use the same loss of exponents for rational numbers also. In earlier class we have taken m, n, exponents are integers, natural numbers are integers. We have taken m, n values or integers or natural numbers. In the place of natural numbers, we can take fractions also. We can take fractions also. Okay, my dear children? Right. Now come to this point. Previously we have discussed this one. How do you read this one? How do you read this notation? Do you remember? In this 9th class itself, we have discussed the previous classes. How do you read this notation? Do you remember that point?
Sir, n root of a.
Yes, very good.
Sir,
Not
n root a.
nth root, not n root a, my dear Bibina Sridarshan. not n root a, nth root a, nth root, okay, 6th class, 7th class, 8th class, like this, nth root, okay, not n root. Remember this point, my dear children, how to read this notation. This is called radical form. We can write this radical form in the exponential form like this, a power 1 by n. Here nth root n can be written as a power 1 by n in the exponential form. For example, how do you read this one? How do you read this notation?
Sir, 3 root a.
No, my dear Bibina, 3 root a. See, I write here 3 root a. We write like this. This is called 3
Sir,
root
third
a.
root of a.
Not third root, cube root. It
Okay, sir.
mathematical
Cube
term
root
is
of
there.
a.
Mathematical term is there. Mathematical term is there. Cube root, not third root. Okay, my dear Anmol, Darikar, Lingua, Yahuna saying, Pinsan, are you paying attention here? Are you listening carefully?
Yes, sir.
Sujana,
Yes, sir.
Sir, answer is 1 by 3, sir.
yes.
A 1 by
Please
3.
read as cube root 3, not this one. Both are not equal. I wrote here, see. Are you watching this screen? I kept my finger.
Yes, sir.
This is read as 3 root a. 3 is outside. Outside this radical sign, whereas 3 is written inside this radical sign. Understood the difference between these two terms? Understood the difference?
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is read as cube root a, and if you want to write this radical form, this is called radical form. If you want to write this radical form in the exponential form, we write a power 1 by 3. A power 1 by 3. How do you read this one?
Sir, 4th root of a.
Yes, 4th root of a. This is called radical form. This is a radical form. What is exponential form?
Sir, a power 1 by 4.
Very good.
Sir, a power 1 by 4, sir.
And so on. We extend this concept to any power, any root, any nth root. Okay, any nth root of a. We extend this concept. Okay, my children, we can extend the same concept to any number. Next one. How do you read this number?
Sir, nth root of a power m.
Nth root of a power m. Nth root of a power m. This can be written as, okay, a power m whole power 1 by n. Yes or no? Nth root means whole power 1 by n. We write base as it is a power m whole power 1 by n. Then what will you get here? A power m whole power n. This formula we can use.
Sir, 1 by mn.
A power m by n. A power m by n. Understood this point, my children? A power m by n.
Understood, sir.
Nth root of a power n can be written in the exponential form as a power m by n. This number,
Sir, it can't be written as 1 by mn, sir.
not 1 by mn. See here, m into 1 by n. What will you get? M into, we are using this formula. I told you clearly previously. We can use these laws of exponents for any numbers, even for rational numbers. So m in the place of n, 1 by n is there. Then what will you get by multiplying these two numbers, m into 1 by n? What will you get, my dear?
M by n, sir.
Huh?
Sir, M by n.
That only we wrote here as exponent.
Okay, sir.
We are multiplying these power of powers. This is called power of powers. Yes or no? Do you remember that point? This formula is
Yes,
called
sir.
power of powers. Okay. So we use all these laws of exponents for this exercise. Remember these 11 formulae, not 11, I think 12. 12 formulae. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. A power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. A power n into b power n is equal to ab whole power n. A power n by b power n is equal to a by b whole power n. A power m whole power n. This is a power of powers formula. A power mn. A power 0, any number to the power of 0 is equal to 1, but a should not be equal to 0. In the brackets, that is condition. Okay, my children. A power m whole power n. Once all of you read these laws of exponents. Read all.
Sir, can I read?
Yes, my dear Bipina. Read all these 12. Read 12 formulae. All of you listen carefully, my dear children. These are very important for the next exercise. Listen carefully. Now Bibina is reading.
Sir, I'll read, sir.
Yes, Bibina.
A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. A power n into b power n is equal to ab the whole power n. A power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. A power n minus b power n is equal to a by b the whole power n. A power m the whole power n is equal to a power mn. A power 0 is equal to 1 and a not equal to 0.
Now
A power
let's
minus.
remember this. This is enough in your practice.
Okay,
This is enough. Okay.
okay, sir. A power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. A by b the whole power minus n is equal to b by b the whole power b by a the whole power n. Nth root of a is equal to a the whole power a power 1 by n, and cube root of a is equal to a 1 by 3. A
Not
power 1 by 3.
A power 1 by 3. Yes.
Fourth root of a is equal to a power 1 by 4. And nth root of a power m is equal to a power m the whole power 1 by n is equal to a power m by n.
Yes, my dear Bibina. Thank you. Who will read? Who will read these formulae once? Who will read these formulae once? Just raise your hand. Just raise your hand. No one is not interested. Yes, Bibina, you have already read. You have already read. Except Bibina, any one of you? Why are you not coming? Yes, Nikita. Okay, Amma Nikita. Shanti, I will give you chance to next time. Now, Nikita,
Okay,
read that. Nikita, read it first. Read it first. Where is Nikita? Okay, Shanti. My dear Shanti.
Yes, sir.
Read it fast.
Yes, sir. Laws of exponents.
Okay, it's no, okay. Nikita, okay, it's okay. Read Nikita, Santi. Read Amma.
A power m into a power n is equal to a m plus n.
No,
A to the power.
A power m plus n. A power.
A to the power m plus n.
Just wait, my dear Shanti. All of you listen
sir.
carefully, my dear children. Shanti is reading. If she is reading mistake, I will rectify. I'm rectifying here mistakes. Listen carefully how to read these formulae. Okay, carry on, my dear Shanti. Next formula.
A to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n.
Next formula.
Third one, a to the power n b to the power n is equal to ab to the power n.
AB whole. You have to read this bracket as whole. Okay.
ab to the
Whole
whole.
means for entire. For entire. Whole means for entire. For entire expression.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
ab whole power n, a to the power n by b to the power n is equal to ab whole power n.
AB not. See here. What
a
is it?
by b whole power n.
Very good. Next one.
A to the power m whole by a to the
Whole.
a to the power m
Whole
whole
power n.
n
Whole power
is
n.
equal to a to the power mn.
Very good.
A to the a is equal to 1.
A power 0.
A power 0 is equal to 1.
No need this one. No need to read this one. Leave it. Leave this one now.
Okay, sir.
Next, remember this formula only. A power 0 is equal to 1. Next.
A to the power minus n is equal to 1 by a to the power n.
Next one.
A to the a by b whole square.
Not whole square. What is there? Minus
Sir,
n.
the
Whole
screen
to
is
the power
becoming
of-
blur for me.
Okay. Whole to the power minus n. Whole to the power minus n. Okay,
Whole
ma.
to the power minus n.
Is equal to
Sir,
P
I'm
by
not
A.
able to see the screen properly. Your
Which
screen is becoming blur for me.
which device you are using? Mobile.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, B by A whole power n. B by A whole to the power n. Can you read the next one? This one, is it clear? Not
Yes,
clear?
sir. N root a
Nth root,
n
not
to the
root. Nth root. Nth root.
nth root is equal
A.
to nth root a is equal to a
Power.
to the power
1
1 by n.
Very good.
Cube root
Uh,
a is equal to a to the power 1 by 3.
Very good. Fourth root.
Fourth root
A.
a is equal to a to the power 1 by 4.
Nth root.
Nth root
A power
a
m.
to the power m is equal to
Directly you can read this one. A power
a power mn.
m by n. M by n, not mn.
M by n.
Okay, my dear
Yes,
children.
sir.
So learn these formula well, my dear children. Bibina and Shanti read all these laws of exponents. We use these 12 laws of exponents. So all of you learn these 12 laws of exponents well. Be ready to do the sums in the exercise 1.6. Okay, my dear children. Now the time is 12 past 35 minutes. All of you. Yes, I will post this classwork notes, my dear Eileen. My dear Eileen, I will post these notes in the Google Classroom in the form of video format. What, my dear? D, what is the Bibina? Aha.
Sir, it is just
Aha. Okay. Okay. Now you can leave the meeting, my dear children. Take rest. Take care of your health, my dear children. Stay at home. Stay safe. Sanitize your
sir.
hands.
Thank you, sir.
Sanitize your hands.
Sir, this is the only page you taught today, right?
Ma?
Sir, this is the only page you wrote
Yes,
for
yes.
today, right?
No. Previous page also.
Thank you,
This
sir.
one also. Previous page.
Sir, can you keep it like that once?
Okay, ma. Are you taking the screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take the screenshot. Screenshot. You can take. Just wait. I will set at center. Now is it okay?
Yes,
To
sir.
take
Fine, sir.
take screenshot. Okay.
Yes, sir. Fine.
Next page. Next page. Have you taken screenshot?
Yes, sir. I think I took it.
Okay, ma. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
But
sir.
don't worry. I will post these classwork notes in the form of video format. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
By today evening, it may be 8 o'clock or it may be 9 o'clock. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ma.
Thank
Okay,
you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
What, my dear Bibina?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. Thank you, ma.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, my dear Harini. Mansi, you are also not attending the classes regularly. Please attend the classes regularly. But my dear Mahima, still you are online? You can leave the meeting. My dear Mahima. Mahima, still you are online? Mahima, are you there online? Already 12 past 37 minutes. Mahima, are you there online? We are staying back here. Leave the meeting.